Motion Moments Preschooler shows you a few simple ways to weave physical activity into your current early care and education program. People everywhere are talking about the obesity problem in America, and the health problems associated with obesity not only impact adults, but our children. As a caregiver, you are in a special position and uniquely qualified to help children develop healthy eating and age-appropriate physical activity and limited screen time viewing habits to help them avoid childhood obesity. Physical activity and movement are essential to help children gain new skills and enhance their development, as well as their social and emotional well-being. Movement and physical activity is important for preschoolers. By the time children are in preschool, they are using motor skills already learned and are adding new ones. They are doing more running, more jumping, more hopping, more balancing, and all of this practice helps them build endurance, strength, and even flexibility. Here are a few activities to help your preschoolers move. This preschool teacher is just about to introduce a music activity. Music encourages movement. You probably have lots of songs in your music library that would work. Some of your younger preschoolers, or children that are already overweight, may not be able to continue moving all the way through this activity. That's okay. Short bursts, 3 to 5 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity with the children that in total accumulates the 60 minutes recommended for preschoolers work just fine. Start with small steps. The important thing is that everyone is participating. Transition times can be challenging for everyone. Watch and see how this teacher gets her preschool class ready for circle time.
You know what time it is, what time it is, what time it is. Do you know what time?
Everyone stand tall and stretch your arms up high. Be as tall as you can be, as tall as a tree. Next, let's do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Reach down and touch your toes. Your knees and up to your shoulders. Okay, let's sit down in our circle. Reach your hands out in front of you. Try to touch the tips of your toes. Great job. After circle time is another important transition in your preschooler's day. Watch as this teacher encourages the children to move from circle time to their center of choice. They are not just going to walk over to the center, but will get to that next destination by jumping, hopping, marching, or walking lightly on tiptoes. Just make sure you provide many opportunities for preschoolers to learn and practice these skills in their daily routines.
My friends over here. Are you ready? Ready? March, march, march. David, stop.
You are such an important influence in children's lives. Do your part to promote more physical activity with children by modeling and sharing these ideas with others. Build upon these ideas. Create your own activities to help children be healthier and more physically active, and put kids in motion every day. How has employing movement strategies throughout the children's day changed your role as a teacher?
It really has made the role of myself as a teacher in the classroom a lot easier. By giving the children an activity to do while they're making a transition or we're getting ready to move to the next project has helped them engage a lot faster.
How have these motion strategies changed the children's day?
This activity helps children follow directions and develop their gross motor skills.
Are there other strategies you have used successfully to increase children's movement?
Through music, just through listening to different kinds of music. The children have all been involved, and it brings them all together because music really is universal. And the children love music, and it makes them, I find that it makes them feel happy. They work together when music is involved. Just even in transitions, it incorporates teamwork amongst them, and they don't even know that they're cleaning up or working together. They just through the music, they work so well together.